Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. As I say that, it is dark. So yes, guys, good night. Good, whatever it is, good morning, good night, good afternoon, whenever you guys are watching this. So, it's currently Monday. I've just finished work. It's 5 o'clock. The whole family, including my mum, my parents, my sisters, my nieces, my nephews. Beth is coming to see some insane fireworks tonight. The kids' fireworks at 7, the big fireworks at 8. So what we're going to do is get there for 6 and have a good night out with the family, guys. So you guys will be coming for a ride with us today. So I didn't start today's vlog a bit earlier. Got nothing else planned until tonight. So I thought I might as well start the vlog tonight after I finish work, which I have now. What we do then is head out. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, a wonderful night, whatever you guys are up to. As you're watching this, it's currently Tuesday, so it's not halfway through the week yet. I hope you guys have been successful, whatever you guys are up to. So right, yes. So, about to head out now. I'm just going to get everything sorted out now and head out. So, make sure you've got all the coats on today, scarves, hats, gloves, because it's going to be a cold night tonight. So I'm about to set out in a minute now, so I'm going to get everything sorted out, because I just had an operation still 3 weeks ago. Thought I'd get my hat on. Put my scarf on like this. Fun fact, guys, these got banned at football a couple of years ago because football used to wear them football matches, and the like the FA, FIFA, that stuff said, oh, you can't, they're banned now because obviously they're quite tight around your neck, and when players are running, it could strangle them. So I brought this to play football on Sundays. And then a week later, after I brought it, they got banned, so I couldn't wear it again for like nights out and stuff, which is a bonus. Woo! Guys, it is cold tonight. It's currently about 5:30, leaving out now. I'll get there for 6, got a barbecue there, so we'll have a nice barbecue snack, guys. You know I love my barbecues. So yeah, so we're gonna get there in about 25 minutes-ish. Beth is walking now down to there, it's not too bad. But yeah, I've got my scarf, I've got my hat on, got my coat on. We're all set, guys. So I really hope you guys do enjoy today's video. The firework display, bonfire night as you're watching this right now. So a nice bonfire night video for you guys to watch tomorrow. Guys, do enjoy. If you are, smash the like button, guys. Subscribe if you're not already. And let's go. So what then, guys, we've made it here. The traffic's so bad. They're down there. Beth is here somewhere. The kids have gone to Beth, or they're there to try and find her. But she's sat at the corner, right in the corner near the gates, waiting for us to pull up. So I've actually been here for a while. This has been there for ages. Right then, guys, there we are, right in front of you. Right there. That's where they are. That's where they are. The kids already beat me to her. They love Beth. Here she is. Here they are. Look, here they are. Here she is. Hello. Hello. How are you? My favourite time of this place is the snacks. The snacks. You excited? You excited for the snacks? Fireworks? Fireworks. You wanna go? Quick! Oh boy! Oh boy! Start. First up is the kids. Do you want me to film it? That feels like me.
Louis, stop running about.
Yeah, stand there. It's getting so packed in here now, isn't it? It's getting really packed.
So I mean,
Oh my god, it don't fit! It don't fit! Yeah. The adult fireworks then?
Well excited.
to the club and they all show me love and we all on me gente. They keep on asking for liquor and bitches, they want me, they all compliment me. And I am no boyfriend material, no I ain't got enough time for that lately. But just for tonight, girl, I swear that I'll always be yours. No, you ain't gotta worry about nada. South Americana, sipping on dawn, smoking marijuana. Girl, let's get the drama, como tu te llamas. Leave with me tonight, wake up with me mañana.
Tell your man you're fucking with the man now. heavy metal flow, I'm getting fans now. When I do a show, them bitches camp out. Bitches want a ring, I ain't no Gandalf. Oh no, that's a no-go. Got your girl tryna kick it like a dojo. I'm rocking all white, that's the Coco. I'm a rock star, baby, be my Yoko. Girl, that body is a problem, wanna figure it out. She told me, show me all the things that you've been rapping about. I like your body language, baby, we can start at the mouth. I'm Bobby Boucher, when I hit it, blow the whistle, I'm out.
In the right spot, I put the gun in the holster. Bang, bang, baby, I got you.
Whoa, I gotta know why you dancing by yourself out on the floor. You got a man? Well, where he go? You should've never left your pretty ass alone. And when we done, I'll take you home. And by the morning, I'll put you and wanna go. I got a girl way back at home. So when you call me, better make that shit unknown. Estoy en una discoteca con una boliviana. Yo sé que tiene hombre, pero no me importa nada. Así me tiene loco, ella así me mata. Comenzamos en la calle, terminamos en la cama.
I know what I like, I know how I wanna live my life. I don't need no advice. You're not here and we both know why. So move for me when you're extra. Move for me with the pasta. I'm building up a house where to raise me. Move.
Them fireworks are super good. Do you enjoy them?
Oh, yes.
Very good. You like them?
Oh, Jake.
Very good.
The last one was loud.
The last one, yeah, that's like, oh, brilliant that was. So now trying to get out before all the cars get out. Obviously, traffic-wise, it's going to be very packed. So trying to get out. Beth is coming. I take Beth home for Beth lives about 2 minutes away from here. She's got work tomorrow. So. What's the day for work tomorrow then?
Getting out to get back in then.
What's the day for work tomorrow?
I start at 9:30.
9:30 video. Late night for you then. Yeah. So right then, we have just made it home. It's about 9 o'clock right now. Them fireworks were really good, they were. But until you see it on video, the thing is about getting the fireworks on camera, it doesn't quite show up or bring up all the nice colours of the fireworks. Obviously, it's just through a lens. But if you see it in real life, it'd be so good. I mean, it'd still be good for the camera, but it doesn't bring up all the nice features, like all the blue, all the reds, all the greens of the fireworks, you know. So pretty good still. But
I thought they were
great. They're very good, weren't they?
Fireworks, yes.
Very good.
Worth the money.
£7 to get in.
And I thought they were better than Abbey Pole.
You know, yeah. One we went to last year was apparently the best firework display, but I thought this one went to today was better than last year. So, you know. How are you, Charlie? Are you scared?
Hi, Charles.
Are you spooked? Are you spooked, Charlie? All the cats and animals should be in a bonfire night. Look at Liv, he looks traumatised. So right then, guys, this is going to be night time right now, so I'm going to have a bit of an early night because I'm very tired today and I don't feel too good. I've got like a bit of a tight chest because I think it's a change of weather and stuff like that. So I'm not too sure, but yeah, I'm going to try and get an early night and I'll see how I am tomorrow. So what I do now is get into bed, watch a bit of Coronation Street because I need to catch up from tonight, and then yeah, so I'll see you guys. I might see you guys tomorrow because I might have something else planned tomorrow, not too sure yet. But if not, I'll see you on Thursday for another challenge video. So look forward to that. Anyway, guys, stay positive, keep your head out, keep pushing forward. Thank you for watching today's family firework fun night. It was super good. But anyway, guys, good night. Bye.